Hello everyone, this is episode 2 of the JoJo main server. I think you're wondering, how am I flying here? Now, I built this just today. I think it's right above here. So just like this. You got, oh, I can actually just have creative light. This thing, I made it. It was very, very hard to make. You need like a whole ender dragon egg. Let me check the recipe. Let me just put this back on actually. Recipe is, here it is. This is the recipe. It's a bit complicated, but it allows creative flight. Now the range isn't that much, but I was thinking of making some more ones so I can just fly around all over the house. Because if I go over here, I think after a while it just kind of wears off. I don't know. At some point it does wear off, which is kind of annoying though. But for now I do get to fly around in creative, which is quite fun. I think today we'll be fighting a lot of bosses and possibly building. I was thinking of doing some off-camera grinding for some paper and stuff because we need to make the Kujo house. This is the waystone is very far down, but let's see. Way down here, no, Kujo house. So this is it now. This is, oh, I should put an umbrella. Oh yeah, by the way, I made a white and a black one as well. So I have white, black, red, orange, yellow. So I have all different colours, whatever I want. But here it is so far. It is going to have like the outer areas as well, you know, the other little attachments, other little houses, you know, like Kakyoin was. But I'm just mainly basing it off the story mode on the server, because the story mode has like actually made the Kujo house. It's very well made, so I'm kind of basing it off that. But I'm making it smaller because it's a bit too big. I wouldn't have enough now. I do think somewhere in one of these bags, yes, I have a lot of sugarcane. I went, yes. Ages and ages and ages of grinding for sugarcane. Let's count how many stacks. So 5, yeah, 6, 7. So 7 stacks, and this is all going to be turned into paper because we need to make paper blocks for the Kujo house. Now at some point there'll probably be a montage, but for now, I think I'm gonna go grind a little bit more, and I'll see you guys back. I'll be back in a bit. Hello, I'm back. Let me just check this. Yeah, I am back. Found a jungle forest, which I think I might use to grind the wood. It might look like I'm a human right now because it doesn't have the face, but that's just the disguise, which is not really useful, but it's just fun to have because if I type in chat, a vampire would usually have purple. Like purple writing on them, but whereas if you're a regular human, you just have this, which makes it very cool because then you can appear and also kind of just joke around with other people. So I think I'm gonna do some grinding here, and once I'm done with that, we will start with the building montage. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, I've got everything, and I guess we can start the time lapse now. Now this won't be a time lapse for me, but it will be for you guys. So yes, I'll just get to it now. Funnily enough, I don't have the glass or anything, so I'm gonna have to go get that. I'll be right back. Right everyone, I'm back. Very sorry, I forgot the glass. I've got it all now. Got some spruce wood in the Gucci bags and stuff. I've got everything that I need. But, kind of forgot the other things. I kind of just thought of the paper and stuff. The paper blocks, which you see right now. Anyway, I'll get back to it. Alright, let's go. Right, so I'm now done with that. I just need to get the furniture and some other skins. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Once that's done, you know, we'll get, yes. I'm not exactly sure what to say, but yes, I will be right back. Alright guys, hear me out. I didn't end up I did film me building this, but it took me about a straight hour, and I think it'd be kind of hard to cut that down, not only that, but then also speed it up, if you know what I mean. And also just the going back and forth, it's just really, really wasn't that interesting. So I thought I'd give you guys a tour instead. So we got, you got the hallway, as always. Then you have like the TV room, just living room basically. This is another room, I'd say like a library. Not quite sure. This is Holly's room, the mattress where she sleeps when she's sick. This is the kitchen. I've kind of added some, some tables, an oven, all this stuff. And then I also had, Jotaro's room, which I'm trying to leave all this stuff a little bit empty because I'm not sure if people in my clan are gonna live here. But that's still a discussion between me and my friend. He's another clan leader. But I've just realised I forgot to fill these bits in. So while I'm talking, I'll just do this. So yeah, there's a room like right over here, which is really just nothing. It's just basically a way into, because I'm gonna build further into here. Just a way into that area, into the outdoors more, and not really anything more interesting because I couldn't really think of anything interesting. But we do have the bathroom. It's a bit odd that the door is open, but well, if no one's in there. But so that's the Kujo house done. I'm not sure. I might be doing some other things later. I'll have to see about the footage because this might the whole montage of me building the house and like building all the walls in between it were quite long, so I'm not sure. But I definitely think maybe this episode or possibly next. I reckon we'll do it for next episode. I think later on we might just fight some bosses and do some other things. But for next episode because the tea room, where Kakuin gets like the flesh bod out. I'm gonna build that, and that will be completely. I will collect everything and then I'll completely build that from scratch. Yes, I will completely build that from scratch. So far this is it, and this is the outside. I've done these little glass panels. I think. Let me fill that up. Not sure what that was. Just got all this. We've got a waystone. We've got a cabinet. I know you can build cabinets, but I think they were a bit expensive, to be honest, and I kind of wanted to get this over with because I'm pretty sure, let me check, I might have a lesson in about an hour, and I've got a few other errands to run beforehand. So anyway, this is the place. We might, as a clan, we might have like tournaments and stuff, which I know sounds a bit weird at the start, but yeah, we'll have like little things to do here, and I think. Actually, I need to fill this. I was gonna use this as like a door to the way out, but I ended up using this room for the way out. So I'll just quickly grab these. This is the chisel mod. It's very useful. It always comes in clutch. Oh, why is there a fence missing? Let me just fix that. Oh, go. Just a bit lag. Let's quickly fix that, and I will. Well, I guess I'll say goodbye at the front. Yes, I will see you. I will see you guys later. We'll probably fight some bosses. I don't know. I might grind for some ghast tears to fight the Ender Dragon. Yes, that's very interesting. Hello everyone, I'm back. I just now realised that I said episode 2 when I was talking would have been to be talking was talking about episode 3. I only just realised it. But besides from that, we're going to fight Dark Blue Moon. I have a pretty good way of cheesing him. Oh, where is he at? Oh, here's the music. Where is he? I don't know where he is. Oh, like, he's pretty close over here. Is he at? Oh! Now he does, when you kill him, he gives you, Ender Dragon Scales. And this is one of my best ways of cheesing it, is where he's just like on the ledge, or like stuck somewhere so he can't move, and I just spam hit him and until he's dead, which is pretty easy. But I think for you guys I'll do more of an intense battle. Oh. So I don't usually use my stand because it does knockback damage, and the problem with that is that once it knocks him away, he can reposition somewhere. And I think here he actually cannot attack me. So it's a good way of cheesing it. Definitely recommend trying it if you're in need of dragon scales, specifically Ender Dragon Scales. I think it gives you about 4 Ender Dragon Scales per time, which is very powerful because you only get 1 Ender Dragon Scale when you kill the Ender Dragon, and Ghast are terribly hard to find. Yeah. Now I'm on the search to make all the umbrellas. I think after that I'm gonna turn it back into a hunter. I'm gonna turn it into a hunter, and then just do all that stuff instead of it. Because I just kind of want to learn both of it, you know. Have both variety. But anyway, it's gonna take too long to kill him. I think I might fight him and then one more guy. I don't think I'll end up fighting the Ender Dragon though, because it's really hard to get the. It's like takes hours to actually kill him. Well, not to kill him, but to get the stuff to make him, to summon him. So I think I'll just go for a few Speedwagon Foundation bosses, and then I think I'll just leave it off. Leave it from there. And let's see, one last. How many hits you need? There we go. Let's see. Yeah, give me 4. So that's the that's Dark Blue Moon for you guys. I'm gonna go find another boss, and I will be right back. And I am back. So we're going to the Great Pyramid of Giza, where we fight the Dark Horse, or whatever you call it. It doesn't drop anything interesting really, but you can get daily rewards here, and they are very powerful. I think it's the 2nd floor. It's like the gravity is like crazy here, absolutely mad. But you can get 1 netherite ingot for the daily rewards, so you got daily bonus. Click on it, you get 1 netherite ingot, which is, if you didn't know, you can use them to make stuff unbreakable. Oh, I'm blinded. Let's get into it. This is one of the harder ones actually for me. I've had trouble with this one. I think my hardest one is the champion. But yeah, I think definitely is one of the hardest ones is the champion. I'm not quite sure why like the jump is really just messed up here. Could try asking the mods or something. But I'm not actually sure. Oh, just realised. Yeah, time erase doesn't work on bosses. I thought I had time stop with me. You can also get Killer Queen's time, like reverse, but I have yet to do that. And only done like 1/4 of his health. Oh god, he's done half my health already. I'm not sure if I'll win this. I think I've lost to Dark Horse, but never died. Like, I accidentally clicked on this black thing. Well, yeah, the way to, like, get out. It's like to get out of the boss fight. And, I've never actually done that. Well, I've done that once, but otherwise I don't think I've ever actually lost to him. Let's just try and use time erase. Doesn't work. Very annoying. And I can't switch to time stop because, well, it's kind of, I'm in the middle of the battle. Well, we've done like half of his health, so that's pretty good. But then, definitely recommend you guys try playing the JoJo Vein server. Don't even have to be on the server, you can just play regular survival, but you can understand things better if you play on the server because there's people that can help you. And lots of people are very helpful. And oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, you can vote here, and once you like voted, you get like you can earn rewards and stuff, and some pretty powerful ones at that. Ooh, Jesus, I'm surprised I've been able to survive this long. But Dark Horse does quite a good amount of damage. I'm not gonna lie. Oh. I just keep spam clicking V because that's like the that's how you drink blood from other things. But if it's like a hostile mob, you can't actually drink blood, but you can do damage. So you do about 4 damage. But like alongside me hitting it with the stand and my sword, it does add up a lot. Damn, my blood levels. Oh, run, run. I just bought a massive amount of hearts. I can show you once I'm done. But they're in my blue bag, I think. Ooh. And killed it. Oh, gosh, that was hard. Yeah, I'll show you my hearts. I got what, 7 stacks of hearts. It's quite a lot. Like, you see how like the gravity just like keeps pulling me down? The second I go like over here. Oh, wait. Wait, it's gravity. Oh yeah, now it's better. But yeah. I think I'm gonna end it off with that. Because I've got some other things to do. I've got some other things to do and stuff. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the episode 3 in maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day. I'm not sure. Bye.